The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series has been generating buzz, and we've got some exciting new details. Recently, a dummy unit of the base Galaxy S25 model was spotted, giving us a clearer idea of what to expect design-wise and shedding some light on potential changes in its internals. So what's new with Samsung's flagship for 2024? Let's dive into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the Galaxy S25, starting with that aluminum dummy unit. Earlier this week, we saw an aluminum dummy unit of the Galaxy S25 Ultra showing off its rounder edges. Now, new images of the base Galaxy S25 have surfaced, revealing a sleek design that closely follows the aesthetics of its predecessor. However, there are a few subtle changes. The Galaxy S25 is expected to measure 146.94 millimeters in height, 70.46 millimeters in width, and just 7.25 millimeters in thickness, making it slightly smaller and thinner than the previous Galaxy S24. For those who love compact flagship phones, this smaller size might be a huge selling point. At the same time, it's much more compact compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which will come in at a larger 162.82 millimeters x 77.65 millimeters x 8.25 millimeters. This could make the base Galaxy S25 more pocket-friendly and ideal for users who prefer a device that's easier to handle. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Initially, it was rumored that Samsung would continue its tradition of offering different processors for the Galaxy S25 series based on the region. In the US, China, and Canada, the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus were expected to feature the latest Snapdragon chip, while in other parts of the world, these models would likely use Samsung's in-house Exynos chipset. However, things are looking a bit uncertain right now. Recent rumors suggest that Samsung might face production issues with its Exynos processors due to low yield rates at Samsung Foundry. As a result, we could see all Galaxy S25 units across all regions equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The last time Samsung used Snapdragon chips across the board for its flagship phones was with the Galaxy S23 series back in 2023, and it seems like history could be repeating itself. So what can we expect from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 if it does end up powering the entire Galaxy S25 series? Qualcomm is taking a different approach with this chip by using its own custom CPU cores rather than licensing them from ARM. This is expected to bring even better performance and efficiency. However, there's a catch. The cost of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset is projected to rise by as much as 20%, making each unit around $240 according to Leaker Ice Universe. This could force Samsung into a tough spot. Either they increase the price of the Galaxy S25 series or absorb the cost and settle for lower profit margins. Both options have their own risks, especially in a competitive smartphone market where pricing is crucial. But wait, there's more. Another twist in the processor saga comes from MediaTek, which has been making waves with its Dimensity series of chipsets. Might be the perfect fit. As always, pricing will play a major role in the phone's success, and we'll have to wait and see what decisions Samsung makes regarding its chipset supplier and overall pricing strategy. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch of the Galaxy S25 series. Will Samsung surprise us with a new chipset partner, or will it stick with Snapdragon across the board? Only time will tell. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. News about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.